In light of recent events, gun control is a hot topic in our society. Most people are calling for stricter regulation of firearms, while others just want to protect their right to bear arms as the Second Amendment allows and want no further regulations whatsoever. As the Second Amendment does state, a well-regulated militia being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed, in which this does give people the right to purchase and use firearms, as well as reserves the right for the government to regulate the purchase and use of these firearms. Currently in the state of Texas, there is no further regulations on the firearms purchase whatsoever, other than being 1, 18, and 2, if purchased by a federal firearms license holder, you must undergo a background check. If you purchase a firearm in private sale or gun show, however, you do not have to undergo a background check. Therefore, the law I would like to propose requires ages of 21 and older to be allowed to purchase a firearm, not 18 or older. Also, all firearm transactions must be facilitated or performed by a federal firearms license holder. And prior to the exchange of the firearm, a minimum of 72 hours must pass since the initiation of the firearm transaction to the completion of the firearms transaction, as the mindset of a person purchasing the firearm can change, and this will allow the prevention of ill-intended events to occur. Also, the buyer must undergo 1, a background check to the National Instant Criminal Background Check System, and be able to provide 2 means of identification that are government issued, 1 being a photo ID. Also, they need to be able to provide proof of ownership of a gun safe equipped with a combination locking system or a better locking system in which the passcode is not known or provided to any member of the buyer's household younger than the age of 21 in order to prevent the firearm being possessed by a minor. Also, the gun safe must have adequate space to fully contain and store the firearm desired to be purchased.